Hello, this is your anxiety nurse again, si Lawrence po muli. Napapansin nyo ba na tuwing kayo ay nagkakaroon ng attack at pinipilit nyo mag-relax, lalong tumitindi yung inyong symptoms? Ang dahilan po kasi nito is because when you are trying to force something, no, whether it is relaxation or so on, it can cause stress and it can become a cycle. Nagpapadala siya ng message sa inyong brain na kailangan immediately marating mo o magawa mo itong bagay na ito, and that makes you more worried or stressed out. Kaya ang technique when you are trying to relax is to feel it, no, to come what may, no. Kapag ka nagre-relax kayo, isipin mo na okay lang na may anxiety ako, okay lang nararamdaman ko yung symptoms ko. Unti-unti, i-welcome mo yung relaxation feelings. Focus on the feelings and sensation that you feel throughout your body, not dun sa thought na kailangan nyo mag-relax. Halimbawa, feel the air entering your nostril o feel the sensation, no? Yung kapag ka nag-exhale kayo, feel the tension releasing sa inyong body o inyong katawan. And then, malalaman nyo na mas relaxing ito. So, ayun lamang po, si Lawrence muli.